Plants are divided into four main groups: bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Now, bryophytes are non-vascular plants. It means that they are without xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are tissues which are required for the transport of water and carbohydrates within the plants. So, if bryophytes are without xylem and phloem, it means that they must have some other mechanisms through which they can transfer water and food throughout their plant body. So, that's why bryophytes are small plants and only diffusion can help in the transport of water and food molecules. In addition to this, bryophytes grow in an area which is generally rich in moisture. So, examples of bryophytes are some mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. As you can see here, that these are bryophytes, which are non-vascular plants. Other three groups of plants are vascular plants, which are pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. They are vascular plants. Now, pteridophytes are vascular plants, but they are seedless plants just like bryophytes. So, in these plants, reproduction takes place through spores because they are not able to produce seeds. Examples of bryophytes, pteridophytes include some ferns and hostiles like this. They are pteridophytes, which are seedless vascular plants. In addition to this, there are two main groups, which are gymnosperms and angiosperms. So, gymnosperms are also vascular plants, but they are seed producing. So, many conifers and pine trees which you see around, they are all gymnosperms. So, this is an example of gymnosperm. Then angiosperms, it is the most important group of plants because more than 90% of plants which you see around, they are angiosperms. So angiosperms are flowering plants, they are seed producing, and they are vascular plants, which are further divided into two main groups, monocots and dicots. Now, monocots are plants which have one cotyledons, while dicots have two cotyledons. Many plants like roses, mangoes, mint, orange, and the cereals which you eat, or the plants which you look around, including many ornamental plants, edible plants, or the plants which are part of your everyday life, they are dicots. Now, for assessment, I want you to look for some angiosperms which you use in your everyday life. So, you have to locate at least 5 dicots which you use in your everyday life.